This is in bricks. As you can see, there is a super cool McLaren in a driveway. I didn't put any bricks there so he could turn around. And I put a bumper. So let's get inside the second floor. As you can see, this whole thing is a pretty big master bedroom. If you don't like it, it's fine with me because it's mine. So this is a statue of an owl. And here is an award. So let's get to the second floor. Here's an elevator that doesn't move, but it is supposed to go up to the second floor. And here are some plants. And here's a welcome home carpet. And a super large couch. And a TV and a table.